Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's see which stocks will be trading tomorrow and what is the logic behind it. The first stock is Berger Paints. Berger Paints, if you see from the fall, from after the good fall, after that when it has started recovering, even after the fall, if you see there is a trend line. There is a trend line that has been respected beautifully. If you see that, so there is a beautiful trend line respect going on here. Also, whenever there is a fall at this level, if you see this was a fall last time, and then it has recovered, almost the whole thing has been recovered, whatever was the fall. That shows that there are buyers here. One more thing that is a plus point for us is here, from last almost a month, from this October time period, it has almost spent this in this time, in this price point. So if opens or crosses this, then we might have a great opportunity to buy. If it opens or crosses tomorrow at 610, we'll have a great opportunity to buy, and so that it can even break the swing high, and it can give us a good points in tomorrow's session also. So what is the next stock? Next stock is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, if you see, this was the point wherein I had suggested my students and even my friends to start investing in Bharti Airtel at this point. Okay, around 400. Even now you can invest. I still have a good analysis going on with this, that it can give us a good point of buying. It can go around at least till 600 is the minimum point which I target from this 430 level. So that is around 50% return from this point. So you can buy at this point for investment. Okay, anyhow, speaking about trading, if you see after this good bullish, three bullish candles, there is a consolidation going on at the same level. Now in tomorrow session, if 437 is crossed, okay, or if we have to play on a safer side, if 435 is also crossed, it can give us a good move, and it can even go till 450 in coming two sessions, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So we can plan for a buy in Bharti Airtel. Next stock is Escorts. Escorts, if you see, similar to Berkshire Paints, until here it was in a good uptrend, and it was a very steep uptrend. After that, there was a consolidation for almost 1.5 month at the same price point, and then when it went up, now at this point it has come down, and it has took a support at this level where the consolidation was happening. And one more good part is, you see there is a big wick that has formed in yesterday's session, and also today it has formed a good bullish candle. And one more thing that supports is this is a small trend line that has been formed. Based on this, it has expected and it has gone up. So we can, in tomorrow's session, we can buy even Escorts. Next one is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, again, if you see, almost from, if you say, 9th of October till today, this price point is common for this, and it has spent a lot of time. Whereas if you see Bank Nifty, if you see Nifty, it has either gone up a little bit, it has not stayed in this price point. So at this price point now, if you see here, it has formed a good wick after trying to push down. That shows that now there are buyers still available, and if at this price point, if they push again, it can directly go at 11,000, sorry, 1250, and then 1300 in coming period of time. So we can plan to buy this. Next one is Maruti. Maruti, if you see, it has formed this beautiful pattern at this level, around at around 700 and sorry 7150 level. Now what is very crucial here, at this period of time, it has been this place. If you see, last time it has spent some time and it has crossed. Now what can happen in tomorrow session? Tomorrow session, it can give us 100 points, and then, or else 200 points also, and then it can consolidate little bit for some time, and then it can give a up move. So if you're planning to buy here, it's a good place to buy. Okay, this place is a good place to buy. Let's see what we'll be doing in the stock, indexes tomorrow, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. On daily time frame, if we see, Nifty has crossed almost its previous swing low, sorry, swing high. Bank Nifty has crossed its previous swing high. Nifty, it has not even crossed that. It is still at this place. So what is going on here? We as we were speaking about this, I had told that Nifty will not be that bullish compared to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty will be little more bullish compared to Nifty. If you see today also, 1% move in Nifty, around 3% move in Bank Nifty. So also on higher time frame, if you see as at a week time frame, okay, on a week's time frame, if we see, it is okay. One thing which you can see here, Nifty has stayed in a range for almost 3 weeks, but Bank Nifty has made a higher high and it is moving. Now, what can happen once this range has broken in Nifty and the high previous swing high has broken in Bank Nifty? It can give a very good rally. I had already told you that from this 1200 point around, sorry, to 23,000 point, that from here it can give us around 3,000 to 4,000 points of move. So we can expect a good move from this point also. So in tomorrow's session, what we will be doing, that is very important. Now in tomorrow's session, what we will do is, whenever in Bank Nifty it crosses this 24,800 and in Nifty 11,900, then we'll buy with a small stop loss. One thing which we have to keep in mind is, if it opens gap down or flat and it gives a dip, it is a very good opportunity for us to buy. So remember that whenever there is a good price action showing on the buying side, we can buy whenever there is a dip. So that's it for today, guys. If you have understood the logic, if you have understood what we'll be trading tomorrow, please do like the video, subscribe the channel, and share with your friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.